Hi, my name's Lisa, and today I wanted to do a quick 101 on nutrition. Our bodies were actually designed to heal themselves, to regenerate, repair, and heal as long as we are giving it proper nutrition. And it's important that this nutrition gets delivered to our body on a cellular level. The problem today, though, is that our soils are minerally depleted. It's very hard to get the minerals into our foods and get delivered to our bodies and our cells that way. Plus, our foods are over refined and over processed. So it's recommended that everyone at a bare bones minimum supplement with a multivitamin and calcium and mineral supplement. Now, it's important also that you know what type of minerals and supplements you're using and that they're actually guaranteed to be delivered on a cellular level. And when you look at that, to get on a cellular level, to build our cells, it needs to get absorbed into the bloodstream and in our cells. And in fact, our bodies are made up of cells. The cells make our tissue, tissue make our organs, organs make our systems, and the system makes our body. So if the very cell at its core is not healthy, ultimately we're not going to be as healthy as we could be. Another important thing is to get the antioxidants and broad spectrum quality antioxidants to protect against free radical damage. Now, free radicals attack our cells and are virtually the cause of all disease and aging. So if we can keep free radicals in line and in check, and free radicals are actually created even just in normal metabolism and exercise and in our body processes, and then there's extra free radicals generated through stress and toxins and smoking and all these things that we're exposed to, that some things we have control over and some things we don't. But so it's very important that we not only get proper nutrition delivered to the cells, but that we have enough antioxidants to fight off the free radicals that we're exposed to on a daily basis. So that's just a very quick 101 on nutrition and the importance of a quality antioxidant and mineral delivery system. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a comment, and I look forward to talking soon. Bye-bye.